season sport. In high school, most high schools have 2 squads per school, a varsity and a JV squad, and they run year-round. You can expect 5 to 6 practices per week during the regular school year, and during nationals, practices 7 days a week. High school squads are there to pump up the crowd. And in May of 2009, the National Federation of State High School Associations released a high school survey of cheerleaders and found that approximately 300,000 girls were competing in cheerleading in the high school level. Most college cheerleading squads are co-ed, although there are still some all-girls squads today. Some of the top college squads include the University of Kentucky, the University of Louisville, Central Michigan, Moorhead, and Hawaii Pacific. All-star squads made their debut in the early 1980s. They were invented solely for competition purposes. Here I have some medals from both NCAA, UCA, and private competitions. Q94 Rockers from Virginia was the first All-Star squad in 1982. All-Star squads have their own division of competition. The USASF creates standards and rules that all All-Star squads must follow. The USASF created the Cheerleading Worlds competition in 2004. Most All-Star squads consist of 6 to 36 female or male participants and compete in 8 to 12 competitions per year. They range in age from 4 to 18 and compete in age groups such as tiny, mini, youth, junior, junior international, small junior co-ed, senior, and senior co-ed. The next and highest level of cheerleading is professional cheerleading. There are only a few professional squads around the world. There, they are required to cheer at games, do charity work, model, and even have speaking engagements. Even though it is worldwide, there are no Olympic teams for cheerleading. Soon after the Dallas Cowboys released their revealing cheerleading uniforms, several negative films were released about cheerleading, some of them called The Swinging Cheerleaders, Revenge of the Cheerleaders, and The Cheerleaders' Wild Weekend. In 1979, the Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders made-for-TV movie starring Jane Seymour was released. With the success of this movie, a sequel was released as well. During the 70s, the Dallas Cowboys were a hot commodity. They appeared on shows such as Family Feud, Love Boat, and Mork and Mindy. In 2000, the Bring It On craze began, and the first movie brought in $70 million. With the success, it brought on 4 sequels, all of which were extremely successful. In 2006, the Lifetime show Cheerleader Nation followed Dunbar High School as they prepared to compete at nationals. Dallas Cowboys, making the team, debuted in 2007